In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a buyer on eBay. If you've had a difficult transaction or simply want to reduce risk, eBay gives you built-in controls to prevent certain buyers from bidding on or purchasing your items. I'll show you exactly where to find those controls and how to adjust them so your store policies work the way you expect. Start on eBay's homepage while signed in on a desktop browser. Move your cursor to the top right and hover over the My eBay menu. A small panel appears underneath with quick links. From there, click Selling. This opens your Seller Hub, which is the command center for your listings, orders, and account preferences. On the overview page, scroll down until you see a section labeled Shortcuts. This is a handy area that gathers commonly used tools in one place. Within that box, look for the option called Block Bidders and select it. That link takes you to eBay's buyer management area where you can control who can bid on or buy your items. You'll land on the block settings or buyer requirements page. This page is where the real control lives. Here, you can tell eBay to automatically prevent buyers who tend to cause problems from interacting with your listings. For example, you can block buyers with a history of unpaid items, buyers with too many recent policy violations, or buyers located in regions you don't ship to. You can also tune thresholds, like how many unpaid item strikes in a set period will trigger a block. These settings help you avoid issues before they start. Next, edit the settings to match your comfort level. Check or uncheck the options that make sense for your business, and adjust any drop-downs for the limits you want. If the page offers a space for an allow list, use it to exempt trusted buyers from being blocked by your broader rules. If you see a field for entering specific usernames, add any buyer IDs you want to block directly, separating them as instructed on the page. Take a moment to read the descriptions next to each option. eBay explains how each rule works and what buyers it affects. When you're satisfied, save your changes at the bottom. Your updates apply to all current and future listings, and you can return here anytime to review or relax your requirements as your comfort grows. A quick tip: revisit these settings periodically to keep them aligned with your shipping policies, feedback standards, and risk tolerance. That's it. By navigating to Selling, opening the Shortcuts section, selecting Block Bidders, and editing your block settings, you've set clear boundaries that protect your business while keeping genuine buyers welcome.